One of the great joys of my life, I've shared it with you before, is last year when I was able to say I bought a boat slip and it came with a free condo. People have asked me, my gosh, Wally, how on God's green earth did you buy a boat slip and get a free condo? I've got an expert here with me, Michelle Mousin from Engel and Volkers, who specializes in selling boat slips that come with free condos. Michelle, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Wally.
It is truly
Thank
about
you.
perspective. When you love the waterfront and you love boating, it all begins with the boat slip.
That's right.
Tell me about your passion, your history and experience with boat slip marina communities.
Have always been around boats, and then in 2004, I was hired as the sales director for Marina San Pablo.
Nice.
And that's, as you know, on the Intercoastal by Butler Boulevard, a tower of 56, and we had slips for all the condos. And then kind of after that project was sold out, just specialized in waterfront, whether it was intercoastal, river, oceanfront. And now I represent a new project in St. Augustine called Villa Calissa, and it's townhomes.
Where in St. Augustine is that?
It is just south of 207 on the San Sebastian River, next to the Shipyards Marina.
Got it. I know exactly where that is.
Mm-hmm.
Good. What's the water depth?
It is 7 feet at low tide,
Nice.
So deep water slips.
Yeah. How about bridges from my slip to the ocean or intercoastal?
No bridges. 15 minutes.
So I can go 7 feet deep and as tall as I want to go with my mast.
That's right.
I'm loving it.
Yes.
How about length of slips? Where's the small end? What's the wide?
Well, you can have anywhere from a 20-foot to a 70-foot.
70.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. I like that a lot. Are they concrete floating docks?
They are not concrete floating docks. They are just floating docks, not concrete.
Gotcha. But they're floaters.
Yes.
I love that. There's nothing better than a floating dock. The boat's always at the right height. The lines are always at the right place. You can tell I'm pretty passionate about this. I've been on my boat 4 of the last 5 days.
Oh, that's wonderful. The
Do you know why I'm able to do that?
Why are you able to do that?
Because I live at the marina and own the boat slip.
Wow.
Right? Every morning for my walk, I walk and check my boat every single day.
That's wonderful.
And then almost every single day, I hop on and go somewhere. Because when you own the slip, your lines are always perfect where you want them. Everything is so easy.
That's right.
I can go from my living room to underway in well under 10 minutes.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, most of that's packing cold drinks. So tell me more about the community in St. Augustine. I got it now. Floating docks, perfect. Up to 70 feet, got it. No bridges, got it. Just because I'm curious, what about the condos themselves? How large?
Well, actually, they're townhomes.
Townhomes, even
and they're a little over 2,100 square feet.
Good.
2-story, all bedrooms upstairs. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage.
2-car garage.
Yes.
I'm liking it.
All the latest finishes, 60-inch built-in Frigidaire Professional Series appliances.
Good.
Gas tankless water heater.
I like that. I like that a lot. And price range, depending on how I dress it out?
$689 to $859 was our original price range, and we have 11 of these. We only have 4 left, so now it's $689 to $789.
Gotcha. And that includes the slip, or the slip is extra?
It includes the slip.
How is the ownership of the slip transferred to the individual?
The slip is exclusive right of use.
Got it.
Which means the bottom of the marina is not deeded, but you do own the slip completely.
Right.
And it transfers with ownership.
Yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. That's fabulous. So I can't encourage you enough. If you're a boater like me and you don't use your boat as much as you dream, the reason is it's inconvenient, and that can completely change when your home and your boat slip are in exactly the same place. Michelle can help you with that, whether you're an intercoastal person, a river person, wherever that is. She knows the communities and she knows boating. And by gracious, I can't tell you the frustration when you're looking for waterfront property and the person doesn't know those questions, let alone the answers. So reach out to Michelle. And by the way, if you've got a slip you're not using, reach out to me. I'd like to stop by.